Today's blog is about multiplication of polynomials. Number 1, 3x times brackets 8x minus 5y. So I have to distribute this one. Since we know that 3x times 8x will be 24 because 3 times 8 is 24, and then x times x, and we know that there is 1 in here, the exponent is 1, and also in here, so this will be x 1 plus 1, so this will be x squared, so this will be 24x squared, and then minus, because positive times negative is negative. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. Just copy the variables, which is x and y. That's for number 1. Now let's go to number 2. If I have negative 5ax times 3x minus 5y minus 8, so I need to distribute. So negative times positive is negative. So 5 times 3 is 15. Just copy the variable because we cannot combine. Then x times x will be x squared. Then minus times minus is plus. So 5 times 5 is 25. Then just copy A. Next is x and then y. Then the last one will be negative times negative is positive. So 5 times 8 is 40. Just copy A and x. So that is for number 2. Now let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, if I have 2x squared y times 3x squared minus 7xy, and then this will be plus 3. So I have to distribute this one. 2 times 3 is 6. Then x squared times x squared. So if you multiply x squared times x squared, so you do this one, 2 plus 2. So x to the 4th. So this will be x to the 4th, then y. And then positive times negative is negative. 2 times 7 is 14. X squared times x. Again, add the exponent. Since we know that there is an invisible exponent 1 plus 1, so this will be x cubed. So this will be x cubed. Y times y. What is y times y? So this will be, there is 1 in here, also in here. So 1 plus 1. So this will be y squared. So this will be y squared. Then just copy this constant, plus 3. So that's number 3. Now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4. Negative 6b y cubed times 4b squared y squared minus 6b squared y plus 8b4 b to the 4th, and then plus constant of 9. The same, we have to distribute this one. This will be negative times positive is negative. 6 times 4 is 24. B squared times b. So this will be b2 plus 1 because there is invisible 1 exponent in here. So b to the power of 3. So this will be b3. And how about y cubed times y squared? So just add exponent, copy the base, y, 3 plus 2. So this will be y to the fifth. So this is y to the fifth. Next, I need to distribute in here. So negative times negative, that will be positive. 6 times 6 is 36. B times b squared. So again, there is 1 in here. So b1 plus 2 is equal to b cubed. So this will be b cubed. Then y cubed times y. So just add. There is 1 in here. So 3 plus 1 is equal to y to the fourth. So this will be y to the fourth. Then the third term, so this will be negative times positive, that will be negative. 6 times 8 is 48. B times b4. So there is 1 in here, so this will be b1 plus 4. So b to the fifth power. So b to the fifth power, since there is no y in here, so just copy y cubed. Then the last one is negative 6by cubed times the constant, which is 9. So positive times negative is negative. So 6 times 9 is 54. Since there is no variables in here, so just copy by cubed. By cubed. Okay, so let's proceed to the last number, which is number 5. Number 5. 5x cubed, then y times negative 6x squared y squared plus 7x y cubed minus 5x cubed, then y plus 4x to the fourth. Okay, so multiply this one. Since positive times negative is equal to negative, so we have to write in here negative. So 5 times 6 is 30. Then in terms of x, x cubed times x squared. So copy the base and then add the exponent, 3 plus 2. So you have now x to the power of 5. So this will be x to the power of 5. The next variable is y. So we have y and y squared. Since we know that there is invisible exponent of 1, so this will be y 1 plus 2. So this is equal to y cubed. So y cubed. Then let's move to the second term. So this one multiplied by 7xy cubed. So 5, okay, positive times positive is positive. So 5 times 7, that will be equal to 35. So x cubed times x. So this will be x3 plus the invisible one in here plus 1. So this will be x to the fourth. So x to the fourth. Then in terms of y, so we have y times y cubed. So this will be y, the base is y. Since there is 1, so 1 plus 3. And this will be equal to y to the fourth. So I need to write y to the fourth. Okay, positive times negative is negative. 5 times 5 is 25. X cubed times x cubed. So copy the base and then add the exponents. So 3 plus 3. So this will be x raised to the power of 6. So x raised to the power of 6. And then we have y times y. Okay, there is 1, there is 1. So copy the base. 1 plus 1. So this will be y squared. So y squared. And then the last term is 1. So positive times positive is positive. And then 5 times 4 is 20. X cubed times x to the 4th. So copy the base and then add the exponent. 3 plus 4. So this will be x to the 7. So this will be x to the 7. And then there is no y in here, so just copy y. So this is for number 5. That's all.